open up your low side valve and it'll suck whatever's in the manifold.
When I started up and I wanted to go to osuit, I already knew I wanted to be a truck technician. Well, the reason I decided to come and be a diesel technician was because my dad has rebuilt cars my entire life. With my grandpa, he's an over-the-road driver, and my cousins always went out with him, and he's always in a semi. So I was like, mix the two together, you got a truck technician. So it's something I've always wanted to do. My program is basically like one of the best programs I think that we have here because the teachers are really interactive and the amount of space we have to do our work is really, really vast. A lot of people will come into their programs and have like no experience, but I had a minimal idea of what I was doing. But Casey and Pete, they kind of like taught me everything I know now, which is like they've brought me to a place where I know what I'm talking about whenever I go into the workforce, and I have an idea of what's going on whenever things are explained to me.
Are you out from under it?
Yep. Just be ready for like anything. Like anything can happen, and don't be afraid to mess up or make mistakes because it's gonna happen whenever you're working. So it's better to make mistakes here than it is to make mistakes out in the shop. Here, it's completely fine to mess up. You're just gonna learn from it. So nobody else in my family's ever went to college or graduated college. Even on top of that, some of them haven't finished high school, so this is a pretty big deal for all of them seeing me graduate from here. And that's how I know they'll convert to Pokes, because I'm the first one.